Zafar Tayar Bukhari Saab, Member Punjab Bar Council. Times Institute Multan has been trying to impart professional skill along with education in this underdeveloped region of Punjab. Provision of specialized education of level 6, 7 and 8 with the help of state-of-the-art infrastructure equipped with latest sport is no less than a blessing. Graduation ceremony of the pioneer batch of MS, MPhil and LLM is certainly a moment of fulfillment. This product of institute would certainly enlighten the name of Times Institute Multan in the corridors of higher learning. Sincere thanks to all the dignitaries, including deans, head of departments, respected teachers and their students who handled the event throughout. On this day of rejoice, I congratulate from the core of my heart to all the successful students on being awarded the transcripts. It is really an event which is to be remembered in the days to come. Once again, congratulations to all the graduates, students and stay blessed. Thank you very much.